Hey, 12. Yeah, there you go. How good is that? Here I am live from your classroom. This is going to be, I think, the last video for the topic. It's going to be on two-way tables. Yeah, this is fantastic. Two-way tables, what they really are 4 sets of data that can be grouped together in 2 different ways. Okay, now, typically, you can see an example here. Typically, what we'd do is we would have total columns below and to the side here. So what do we do? So look, I've got information for men and women who exercise or don't exercise. So I can group it together by all the men, group it together by people who exercise or not, or the women who don't exercise. So how many men were surveyed? Well, what I would need to know is the number of men who exercise, the number of men who don't exercise. So what I really want is a total column over here, right? Total here. If I add those together, I think I get 4,560. So there are 4,560 men. 4,560 men. Now I can do the same with the women, but we'll press time. Now calculate correct to 1 decimal place the percentage of adults surveyed who were women. So what I need to know is the total number of adults and the total number of women. Well, I've got a few more things to do here. So I need to find out the total number of women here. I should have done it when I said so before. So that looks to me like 2,750. 2,750. And if I add these up here, I get 4,832. And if I add these ones up, I get 2,678. Now, if I add these two numbers together, this is the total number of men, total number of women, if I add those together, I get 7,310, I think, 7,310. If I add these two up, total number of people who exercise, those who don't exercise, I should get the same thing. Righto, let's just see. Here's a calculator. Righto, let's not make a mistake. We've got 4,560 plus 2,750 equals 7,310. Oops. Yeah, normally we would make righto, like that. This is the important figure, 7,310 there, and let's just, because we can, let's confirm that it works the other way. So 4,832 plus 2,678 equals 7,510. You know what's happened there? I have made a mistake. So let's stop this, and I'll find out where it is. We're back. You know I'm wrong. I made a mistake. I added this up incorrectly. Right. So look, it does mean the way these things set out that you can do a check. 7,310 though, it seems like the correct answer to me. So the percentage of adults surveyed who were women. Now this is the number of adults. This is the number of women. So it's going to be 2,750 divided by a total of 7,310 by 100%. What do I get? 2,750 divided by 7,310 equals 37.6. 37.6%. There we go. The percentage of adults who exercised that were men. Now, out of the adults who, now I'm only interested in the adults that exercise, I'm only interested in this. So it's 3,028 out of 4,832, because I am limiting this query to adults who exercise. Right, this one, I limited it to adults, that's everyone. This is just adults who exercised, only interested in this column this time. So it's going to be 3,028 out of the total number who exercised, 4,832. Times 100% equals is 62.7%. Okay, you've got to read these questions carefully. Put the totals, right? Annotate or annotate your table there, your two-way table, put the totals in there, and then read the question very carefully. What fraction